Good evening, everybody. Nelca again here, and another question from our LinkedIn friend. His name is Pritam Bawal, and he's asking about his Sketchup file. When he imported it into DIALux, it looks like this. Okay, so the original Sketchup file is like this, but then when he imported it, it becomes like this. So what is the reason why it looks like this? So let's help Mr. Pritam on how to solve his problem. So I'll go now in the 3D warehouse, and I will look for a SketchUp file. Let's go and say, for example, let's go for a modern house. So let's go to the www.3dwarehouse.sketchup.com and let's search for modern house. So it will look like his problem. Okay, so let's go and select one here, and okay, let's go and just select one and make that one as an example. Okay, let's try this one. This is the modern house by Ishmael, and unfortunately this is 43 MB, so it's a no. So let's go and select lesser file size. Okay, so let's go and try this one. So it looks like a greenhouse and it's 4 MB. No, I don't like it. Okay, let's go and select one more here. Okay, so this looks like a glass house, but I don't like this. Oh, I like this one. Okay, so let's try this one. This is a modern house of Sketchup designs. So this is 1 MB only. Perfect. So let's go and download this one and save this one in the 2014 model. I will save this one in my desktop and save, and then I will open it now, and then I will import or export this one into that 3ds file so I can open it in, or I can import it in DIALux Evo. Okay, so it goes directly to my SketchUp file now, and let's go and check this one. All right, this looks good. So let's go and select the view and edit, and let's see the edges. Oh my god, there is also a fog, so let's remove the fog, and also let's remove the shadows. Okay, so it looks like this. I love it, looks good. Okay, so for this one I will remove the ground plane because I don't need this one, I only need the house. And let's zoom extend, and alright, this is fine. So I will for now I will remove this car because it will take time to render in DIALux Evo. So I'll go and file, export 3D model, and then I will say this is modern house 2, and I will save it in my desktop and say export. Okay, while doing that I will open now my DIALux Evo software. Okay, so now it is exported, it seems. I will say okay, and then I will open now my DIALux Evo, and let's see how it looks. So if I imported it properly, it means the surfaces or the planes of this house is okay, it's correct. If it's not, then I can solve the problem of Mr. Pritam. Alright, okay, so I will import now my I will go to the outdoor, and I will import my 3D file. So go to the file, import 3ds file. I'll go to the desktop, and I'll set my modern house, and I'll say okay, and then it's inserted it now. I'll go to the 3D, and ta-da! Alright, it looks great because all the surfaces are imported properly. Okay, everybody, don't be amazed that I imported this file properly in DIALux Evo and if you expect that it will run properly when you put your lighting, don't, because I'm sure there are broken lines here, and later on you will realize that it's not good to import everything from Sketchup to DIALux Evo. Okay, so this looks fine. So what if, for example, I will change the face of this one. I will reverse it. So now it is reversed, and the other side I will also reverse this side. So I will reverse face. Okay, now it is reversed. I just reverse it. That's it. That's what I did. Okay, so let's export it again. Go to the export 3D model, and I will label this one as farmhouse 3 just to make it a different file, and then import. Okay, so it's exported now. So I'll go to the DIALux Evo file again, and I will import that one that we reversed the surface. So I'm importing it now, and I will move it a little far from the other side so we can see the comparison. And when I go to the 3D, and okay, so you might think this is black, but actually this surfaces that is colored black right now is already gone. So when, for example, I change the color of this one into, for example, like this little green, and then I will drag and drop to this wall, and you cannot colorize it. So for example, I go here, and now you can see that the walls are missing. So that is what happens. The original one here, you can see the walls, it's colored white, but when I change the black color into something else, the walls are all gone. Here, now it's gone. Again, go to this side, and now when I go here, it's gone. I can see in indoor area now because the walls are gone. So that is what happened to Mr. Pritam's file. And you can see here again, this is the SketchUp file, and when he imported it into 3D or DIALux Evo, it is gone, because what he did is, or I think the designer of this SketchUp is, he inverted the surfaces into a reversed face, because in SketchUp you can have two-way face or one face only, and that one is a one face surface. The SketchUp developer create that one as a one face, and maybe he can do that one by reversing the face, so it will be open or included in the 3D file later on. So again, look what we did. This is the original file with the correct facing face, and the other one which has wrong face. So look what happened to the walls that I changed into faces. All right, so that's it. And Mr. Pritam, just reverse the face of your SketchUp file and then import it again. Export it again to SketchUp and then import again to DIALux file, and you can have it. All right, see you again on the next video tutorial. Bye.